Beanie roll call. What's up, Aya? C-O-L-E-D Colette. Hey, hey, hey. Maloy, coming your way. This is Gwen. Sis Stacy, you can't beat me. Hands up for Mika. Let's go. I'm Joanna. Yeah, it's your girl Sheena. Yes, wait!
Pwede yung hindi pwede. Hindi ka audience.
Dimples ko po ever since bata pa lang po ako, andyan na po siya. Yes, yun po yung rason. Kayo po, ba't po kayo may ngipin?
This is the normal Colette. This is the abnormal Colette.
Mahal mo ba, Blooms? Naman! Mahal! Naman! Siyempre, I love Blooms. Blooms, I love you. Hindi, Blooms, mahal ko kayo. Hello.
Hindi pala ikaw yung tumawag sa akin, si Ate Aya pala.
I called you so many times, but you didn't answer my calls.
Why are you speaking in English?
Because it's just it's my first language kasi.
You sound like a wannabe English speaker.
Wala! Eto. Ano lang yun?
Ganda ng makeup ko.
Uy! It hurts! Langarte.
Asa ka naghugas? Uy, naghugas na ka! Asa ko? Gusto ko yung salamin! Kaya ko nga pinagyan ng salamin ng kasibarado!
Can't wait to go back with you sa islang patropiko. Sa islang patropiko. Sa islang patropiko. Ever and ever.
Parang kasi makuha sa panatay. 4, 5, 6.
Drive me a dessert. I'm trying to be lurking. You know I wanna in the light. You know what that what you done.
Yakapin mo ako sa ano dito. Wait lang, dapat mas buff ka pa.
Mas mainit pa sa araw. Pag siya'y tumingin sa'yo, ikaw ay matutunan.
Nalulungkot, nayayamot, nagmumukmuk, hindi ko ba yan?
That's why I love this.
Always gonna be the one intruder.
1 point po for Joanna. Masyado na po siyang close sa akin. Ayoko na po. Okay!
Alas na ako.
Para hindi ako mahuli sa flight ko. Excuse me, I have a flight to catch. Blow your mind.
Masarap. Sige, masarap. Mga ate mo kami. Mga ate mo kami. Bawal hindi masarap dyan. Lunukin mo yan. Lunukin mo yan.
Kulit, kanino ka lang? Ba't mo natanong?
Hindi kayo, puro kayo mga delata, mga kinakain nyo sa bahay nyo. Hindi kayo nakita na magluto. Oh, I agree.
The first candidate, Sheena Katakuda. If I would be an animal, I would like to be a cat or a tiger. Because I want to be a cat, you can meow. If you're a tiger, you can roar.
Bakit gusto mo mag-meow?
I want to meow so that I can contribute to the world. Sobrang laking tulong if you can meow. Like, even Ate Janice, she can smile if I can meow. Like, the worms here in our house, the ipis, they can substitute
they can melt into a mountain, and the gas, solid and medium, is equals to y-axis. Right? Yung tiger kasi na-transpose siya into one.
Tsaka na ano, sa in the middle, in the power of 8, di ba?
Sabi na, in the power of it, you can wrap it.
What is the final answer?
Meow. Okay.
Blooms, are you guys enjoying? Eh, ilang banana yan? Ha? Ilang banana? 4 lang. Okay, so guys, we're currently at 245. Guys, let's calm down. Let's not. Okay, guys. Anong sound ng panda? Wait lang,
Utang nyo 300k diamonds pag nag 300k tayo.
Yung view, sobrang ganda ng view talaga. So, kapag nakatingin ako sa nature, nawawala na yung kaba.